In fact, as said, Thales is leading a program at Station F with startups. It is an acceleration program. You know that thanks to the previous presentation, Thales has a large experience in working with startups, but it's the first time we manage an acceleration program, which is a bit different. And we decided to benefit from this huge ecosystem, which is Station F, the largest startup incubator in the world, to launch this program. And why cybersecurity? Cybersecurity is because today there is a fast accelerating race between the attackers and the defenders, let's say like that. And we need really to accelerate our innovation in the field of cybersecurity. Cybersecurity is a key pillar of the digital transformation of the group. Key pillar because we also address some markets where our customers are handling critical missions, and then the systems we provide to them need to be really very secured in an area where the attacks are really increasing. And that's why we need to accelerate our innovation. And that's why we decided that it's a very good area to globally work with startups in order to boost our innovation, to accelerate our innovation. And in fact, we launched our first season in November last year, meaning that the first season is close to this end, because it's a 6 months acceleration program, and 6 months is really quite long-term period for a startup, but it's very short for a large group such as Thales, and that's why we need to define a very clearly an agile process to be able to be sure that at the end of the program we will be able to demonstrate something very concrete. We don't want to stay at a conceptual level. We need to demonstrate something very concrete that can interest our customers, but also the members of the Thales in charge of several businesses, in order to show that, oh guys, this innovation that we have created in an open innovation way with startups, it's very interesting for our markets, in order to continue through commercial agreements between business entities and startups. And exactly why we need something very strong in terms of process to ensure that at the end we will have something important and concrete to demonstrate. In fact, this process is based on an agile mode, agile processes, and basically we appoint 2 coaches per startup. One is dedicated to help startups to improve their products, technically speaking, meaning that the technical coach is an expert in cybersecurity, and the second coach is more an expert in the business, in one of area of business where Thales is focusing, in order to help the startup to position its technology on a key market for Thales. That's why we try to be very focused, and that's why we use also different methodologies such as design thinking, thanks to these coaches and the work we are doing together with startups. In the end, we are able to produce demonstrators. Basically, if we look at the result of season 1, we have done 3 very innovative proof of concept with 7 different startups, meaning that we make also some hybridations of different technologies within a single proof of concept. For one, which is very interesting, we have already also deposited a patent showing that it's really very innovative. We gave to the startups a very high visibility. It could be through events such as Vivatech, but other events we have done with them. But also visibility through direct contact with our customers. And at the end of the program, there are more than 5 concrete business opportunities, meaning whether, let's say, integration of technology from the startups in Thales offer or direct contract with our customers. That's very interesting, and that's why also we have made an assessment of the satisfaction of the startups at the end of the program, and the results are, in terms of global satisfaction score, it is 4.6 of 5. But also the net promoter score, measuring how the startups recommend the program to other startups, it is 100%, meaning everyone recommends startups to other startups to attend this program. What next? In fact, we have launched beginning of April the second season of the program for the selection. The call is open until Friday evening, meaning that you have 2 days, or a bit more than 2 days, for those of you which are interested in this program to apply. After that, it will be too late. After we have our selection process, and at the end of the selection process, we will start beginning of September at Station F. You can see the kind of challenges where we pay attention to technologies provided by startups. First is about everything about threat intelligence, to better understand the way hackers are launching their attacks, and in order to prepare to react to this attack. The second is how to avoid an attack to happen through what is called deception technologies, but also how to help developers to improve their codes in order to avoid some vulnerabilities can be done by design when developing their application. That's why we need to find some interesting tool to help developers to assess the quality of their code from a cybersecurity perspective. That's kind of technology that we are looking for this challenge. The third one is how to improve the reaction of an attack. If we are not successful in avoiding the attack, we would like to be able to detect as earlier as possible that an attack is coming, and then to block it before the damage can be too important. The third one is probably the most advanced, because the technology is not there today, but we are looking at startups even at early stage, based on the impact of quantum computing on cybersecurity, which is something we need to prepare. And the fifth challenge is about cybersecurity of IoT, which is very important. And the last one, it's about cybersecurity to improve the security of the public cloud. That are the 6 key challenges that we pay attention. But if you have interesting technologies outside these 6 challenges, you can try also, because we are open to something we didn't imagine, but that could revolution the cybersecurity. And if you want to apply, you have here the link to arrive on the application form. And you can also know more about the program looking at 2 short videos that are available on YouTube that will explain how the program is working. Thank you very much for your attention.